Hi, it's Pippin, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss the split time same direction isolation with a single hoop. Let's get started. I want to preface this by saying there are so many different types of isolations, make sure to explore them all. Hold the hoop at the center of your chest directly over your heart. This move works a lot better if you do it in one smooth, continuous fluid motion. However, make sure your hands stop at 12 and 6 and 3 and 9 to make sure they're at the proper directionality and placement. If your hoop is really wobbly, try speeding up your movements. That should help smooth everything out. If your hoop is wobbly and you're having pain from leaning back, it's actually probably too big. Make sure to try to use a smaller hoop and take care of your body. Notice if I go too quickly with the mini hoop, my hands are no longer in the split time same direction placement. Just be aware of this, and with practice you'll have it with muscle memory and everything will be smooth sailing. To add a little extra flair, you can splay your fingers out. This makes things look really graceful and effortless. Thank you so much for watching my Tuesday tutorials. I really appreciate it. If you have any requests, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.